At a function held at the Assam Club on the 20th of May 2023, the MLA of 19 South Shillong Constituency, Sanbor Shullai, had released the developmental scheme in the area, which amounted to Rs 12 crores 27,61,300 that was sanctioned under the Urban Smart City SUWP and PWD Roads SPA scheme 2022-23 for the particular constituency.
Under Smart City scheme amounting to Rs 5 crore. These are the renovation, beautification and repairing of drainage system within 19 South Shillong with the aqueduct system. You have seen? Then we will come to the second phase. I must second phase later. In the by-lane, the isolated place where the anti-social elements, in absence of street lights, they are taking advantage in using drugs, taking ganja, and they are drinking beer, drinking liquor, and start, frightening the pedestrian.